Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Jabra Elite 7 Pro headphones and I'm going to show you how to pair them with your Android phone. So at first you have to remove them from your charging case. And after that they should go automatically into pairing mode. If they don't, you have to hold your finger on these buttons, click this for at least 3 seconds. After that you have to go into the settings of your phone and go to connected devices. Here you have to click pair new device, and in the available devices you should see your headphones. We have to click on it and wait a moment. Here you have to click pair. And that's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.